Hi everyone, you're welcome to today's class. In today's class, I'm going to teach you parts of the body. Akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. That's what we call it in Igbo language. Parts of the body. Akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. Akụkụ ahụ mmadụ. Do you know what we call head? Hair, leg, hand, and so on. I'm going to teach you that in today's class. So sit back and enjoy. The first on our list is ntutu isi. Ntutu isi. Hair. We call hair ntutu isi. Ntutu isi. Head. Isi. Head. Isi. Eye. Anya. Eye. Anya. Eyebrow. Iku anya. Eyebrow. Iku anya. Eyelashes. Eyelashes. Nku anya. We have iku anya, then we have nku anya. Some people call it mpupere anya. Nose. Imi. Nose. Imi. Ear. Ntị. Ear. Ntị. Cheek. Ntị. Cheek. Ntị. Chin. Agba. Chin. Agba. Mouth. Ọnụ. Mouth. Ọnụ. Teeth. Eze. Teeth. Eze. Tongue. Ire. Tongue. Ire. Lip. Egbugbere ọnụ. Lip. Egbugbere ọnụ. Neck. Onu. Neck. Onu. Shoulder. Ubu. Shoulder. Ubu. Chest. Obi. Chest. Obi. Stomach. Afọ. Stomach. Afọ. Navel. Utube. Navel. Utube. Arm. Akwa aka. Arm. Akwa aka. Finger. Mkpịsị aka. Finger. Mkpịsị aka. Aka. Hand. Hand. Aka. Back. Azụ. Back. Azụ. Palm. Ọba aka. Palm. Ọba aka. Palm. Ọba aka. Waist. Ukwu. Waist. Ukwu. Tie. Mpata. Tie. Mpata. Knee. Ikpere. Knee. Ikpere. Leg. Ụkwụ. Leg. Ụkwụ. Calf. Calf. Mbaji. Calf. Mbaji. Toes. Mkpịsị ụkwụ. Toes. Mkpịsị ụkwụ. Foot. Ọbụ ụkwụ. Foot. Ọbụ ụkwụ. So I hope after this video you'll be able to know what we call different parts of the body. And with this, we have come to the end of today's lesson. I hope you enjoyed the class. Please do well to follow us on our different platforms, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like and share our video. See you in our subsequent classes. Until then, bye.